Good morning, my dear students. In today's topic, I am going to tell you about the different types of networking and the different topologies. And this topic is in continuation with the advantages of networking. And the topologies which I am going to discuss are star, bus, ring and tree topology. So I am beginning the topic. Good morning, students. Today I am going to tell you about the types of networking. Networking covers a wide range of distance as well as specified least range of area. It can vary in number of devices connected to each other and it can transmit information worldwide in no time. Networking is classified into the following kinds, that is PAN, LAN, CAN, MAN and WAN. Now what is all this? It is local area network, personal area network, campus area network, metropolitan area network and the wide area network. Now, PAN. A personal area network, it connects various electronic devices like computers, cellular phones, personal digital assistants with one another. The range of transmission of area of a PAN remains only a few meters and wireless connection may also be used in a PAN. Now we can see the figure of personal area network. This is the figure of personal area network. Now, LAN. It refers to the local area network. As the name is, all the computers of the local area are connected to each other. And the local area may be a building, institute, lab, office, hotel or a single story building. Computers are directly connected by cabling within a limited range of areas. And it is almost like a telephone system. Now I am going to tell you about the features of LAN. They are that it covers a short distance, it delivers data at a fast speed. It can contain PCs up to 3 to 12 in number, storage devices, printers and other peripherals. But the user has the flexibility to add and remove the PCs to or from the system. Last is, in this networking, computers use their own computing power and do not depend on the host. Now I come to topology. Individual computers on a network are known as workstations or nodes. Means on which you are working, they are known as workstations or node. These workstations are connected in a predetermined configuration which is known as topology. So topology refers to the logical layout of the networking wiring. It is the way in which the endpoints of the network are connected electrically. We have following types of topology: bus topology, tree topology, star topology and ring topology. Now what is bus topology? Bus topology, here all the workstations are connected in a linear way and it has two ends. A signal transmitted goes from one station to other and so on till the last station. And this is known as bus topology network. And here the data is transmitted to one workstation, then to the other workstation and it goes on till the end. The communication network in the case of bus topology is a single cable called bus or transmission media and it does not use switches or repeaters. Means when we are talking about the bus topology, we use only a single cable. So we have certain advantages and disadvantages of the bus topology. First of all, I am going to tell you about the advantages. Because it is a linear way, so it is very simple and economical. Failure of any workstation has no effect on the whole network. So because we can remove that PC. Next is cabling expenses are low. But it has a biggest disadvantage that suppose there is a fault in the cable, so the network will not work. Now I come to tree topology. What is a tree topology? It is a generalized form of transmission which is a branched cable like we have in a tree. Here all the computers are connected in a way to form a tree-like structure and the starting point of the tree topology is known as the head end that you can see in the figure, through which one or more cables starts. These cable branches out further to form a complex network. Transmission from one station received by the all stations on network. Again we have advantage and disadvantage. The advantage is that failure of one workstation does not affect the overall network, but we have a disadvantage that it is little costly and complex. Next is star topology. In this type of a topology, each workstation is connected to the central switch, and this switch is known as a server. Communication between any two computers can be made through this central switch or server. When any workstation transmits data, it first sends the data to the central switch or server, and then data goes to the destination. Means first of all the data goes to the server, and through the server the data is being transferred. Cables here are not shared, and each workstation has its own cable. Now I am going to tell you about the advantage and disadvantage. Failure of one workstation does not affect the whole network, but disadvantage is that it is time consuming. Just now I told you why it is time consuming, because when one workstation wants to send message or data to another computer, it has to send to the server, and then through the server it goes to the other system. So it is little time consuming. Now the last one is the ring topology. As the name is ring, it is here the workstations are connected in a closed loop forming a ring-like structure. It is unidirectional, as data can be transmitted either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Here the network consists of set of repeaters, and each repeater is connected between the two workstations. It has a disadvantage that data transmits only in one direction, as it is a unidirectional. Now I tell you CAN. It is a campus area network, and it is made by interconnecting two or more local area networks. Here it is larger than LAN but smaller than WAN, that is wide area network. Now see the figure. This is the figure of campus area network. Now next is metropolitan area network. Here one or more network of all the metro cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai are connected to each other by means of networking, which is known as metropolitan area network, and it is limited to a particular city and connects the computers within that area. That is why we have this name MAN. The last one is the wide area network, WAN. Here more than two networks are connected to different geographical locations. Here the network is used to connect far and wide networks in order to share various useful information. And the examples of WAN are internet and the cellular phones. Thank you.